In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed third-party tools into your projects. So let's dive into our project.co account. First of all, why would you want to embed third-party tools in your project? Well, project.co has been designed to bring your team together with your client's team so that everyone can collaborate together. And part of that is making sure that all the information for every project is in one place. And we want to make it easy to embed third-party tools along with our core tools so that you can access everything for every project all in one place. So let me show you how to do this. Let's go to projects, create a new project, and we'll call it embed demo. Hit enter, and that's our project set up. So to add a third-party tool, we go to see all tools, and then we can come down, and at the top you'll see our core tools, things like discussion and tasks, notes, file proofing, payments and time. But we can also embed third-party tools as well, things like Airtable and Dropbox, GitHub and Google Docs. So let's do that. Let's add a few tools. I've got an Airtable link here. So I'm going to go in here, and you can name this whatever. I'm going to call it Marketing Assets from Airtable, and I'll add a URL. I could add a description, but I'm just going to leave that blank for now. And you can see we've got an Airtable embed in here. I'll show you how that looks in a moment, but I'm just going to add a few more. So let's add a Figma embed. Let's add a Google Docs embed. And finally, let's add a Miro board too. There we go. So we've added a few embeds there. Let's click I'm done, and you can see all these embeds show as tools, just like the core tools would do on our projects as well. And when we click these tools, the embed opens right within our project.co project. So this means, just like I said at the start, everybody, you, your clients, in your team, you don't have to leave your project.co project to open and edit any third-party tools as well. They'll all show within your project. The benefit of this is that it means that these third-party tools are now showing alongside your tasks and your discussion and your files and your notes. So that means that everything is all in one place ready for you to use. So you can have your Airtable marketing assets alongside your discussion and your tasks alongside your Figma boards as well. And it means that everybody can access them all within one convenient project. For example, let's see Figma. There you go. We can see this opens up right from within the project. So you can see we're still within project.co, but we've got our Figma board in here as well. Similarly, let's jump into our Google Doc. And everything in here, as you can see, is fully editable. So you can collaborate on scripts and Google Docs, Google Slides, other third-party embeds right from within your project.co projects. Another example is your Miro board here. Pick things up, move things, drag and drop. Everything's editable and fully usable within your project.co project. So this brings not just your core tools of your discussion and your tasks, notes and all the other things that we have, but it means that all your third-party tools can also be embedded or linked to from your project.co project as well. One other important thing to show you while we're here is that we have a tool, a core tool called Resources. And what this does is it collects all your third-party embeds as well as any embed code, links and references all into one convenient table. So if we go to Resources here, we add that tool. And now you can see that we actually have all these pinned to our dashboard, as we call it. But if we go to our Resources page, we can see that our third-party embeds are here, and we can choose to not pin those to the dashboard, but just have them in the Resources tool. So if we unpin these, let's give that a quick little refresh to see. Yep, they're unpinned now. And let's go back to our project dashboard. yes, you can see here we just have our core tools now and our resources tool. So maybe we want to say our resources live up here, and when we go in, we've got all our third-party tools in here so that we can quickly then jump into our script from here. And it's just how you want to organize your project, really. If you want to have everything pinned to your dashboard, you can do, whereas if you just want to have things in the resources tool, you can do that too. So I hope that's helpful. Quick run through of how you use third-party embeds. If you have any questions along the way, please get in touch with our support team. We'll be very happy to help.